Okay, so we have this place all to ourselves and we're gonna show you how to use the outdoor shower. It's really not that cold. It's a beautiful day to take a shower outside. Showering outside feels completely exhilarating. It felt so good to do it out here. Thumbs up for the outside shower.
Hey, wake up, you're dreaming. We're here to talk about showering in the Revel. Let me help you up. Welcome to another great day. Today we're going to be talking about the showers and the hot water heating system. We do have an S-Bar diesel heating system, and what that essentially does is it allows us to have instant hot water. It operates pretty quick. The S-Bar heating system uses a glycol solution, and it circulates underneath and through all of the components of our water, which allows it to basically keep it from freezing up during the winter time. So it goes through two loops. The first loop is for our heat system, and that's what they call the long loop. And when that happens, it circulates around our water tanks, warming them up. And then when we have our hot water, a valve switches and it goes through the short. When we're using the S-Bar to heat our water, it's instantaneous. You see some vans like the Travado where it takes 20 minutes to heat up the water using a propane, and we just don't have that issue. We actually don't have any propane at all, which is fantastic. If we get below a quarter of a tank of diesel, we can't use the S-Bar heating system. Taking a look inside here, we got a couple switches. These are our controllers for our heating system and our hot water. If we turn our system switch on and we turn our thermostat up, and turn our furnace on, then we are now kicking on our heat. If we want to heat up our hot water, we just push the hot water button on. So this switch right here is our electric water heater, and if you're connected to shore power, then you can flip this on and it doesn't heat instantly for the hot water, which is a drawback for this. It's only really good for heating enough water to like wash your face or do a quick dish or two, but you couldn't take a shower off of the electric. We have two options for showering. We have our indoor shower, and then we also have the outdoor shower in the back of the van. When we use the indoor shower, we take out these two shelves, plug in the shower head, and simply turn the water on.
Okay, so for me, showering's a little bit easier. I have plenty of space here. And then it's nice and toasty and warm. I'm going to turn it all the way up. Test the pressure. That's some pretty decent water pressure right there. Of course, I'm not going to show you the full shower, but I just wanted to show you the water pressure and how easy it is, and different techniques you might use in the shower.
Alright, coming around to the back, this is where our outdoor shower is, and you just simply plug the shower nozzle into this, and you have your hot water and your cold water. It's kind of weird that the cold water is on top, but we could also use it to spray out dishes and stuff like that. So we do have this sprayer here. So if we need to spray anything out, we can just simply connect it, turn it on, and we're good to go. This is the water pump access from the back. So we have the water pump in the inside on the control panel, and then a water pump here. You have to turn the water pump on in order to get water out. Overall, we're super impressed with both shower options. With the outdoor shower, obviously we could take a shower together if we want to. You want to have a little bit more privacy, so really you only use the outdoor shower if you're boondocking somewhere like this. And this affords us that opportunity to take advantage of the outdoor shower. The indoor shower is also super easy to use. I'm not the smallest guy and I fit inside it. It's a lot easier for Cynthia to use. Thanks for watching our video on the shower. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments down below. We will definitely answer.
I really enjoyed taking a shower in the outdoor shower. Jim had a great idea of putting one of the mats down, one of the bamboo mats down for my feet so I wouldn't have to be standing in the gravel or the dirt. And honestly, I preferred doing that over taking a shower in there. And I don't mind the shower either way, but it was really easy to do the outdoor shower. The water was warm the whole time, and we've actually showered, what, twice now, to show you what both showers are like. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you have a better idea of what our shower is like in the Revel, because that was one of the things that we thought maybe we don't want the Revel because of the way the shower was set up inside the toilet, the way the shelves were. It really had us leaning towards a different van. Now we're super happy that we bought this van, especially now that we've used the outdoor shower. It was fun. Hope you enjoyed it.